I'd like to introduce to you a visualization that my wife and I jokingly called the ringer. Now, to understand this, you first need to understand the elements of this visualization. So this is a 12-hour period from 10 in the morning until 10 p.m. And this was actually the very first day of our child's life. And where you're noting the time it takes for every diaper change, which is blue, every green duration is the feeding, and then you'll see it turns yellow a little bit later when I start to do some bottle feeds in there too. So, that first day sort of really hits hard, or it hits home, where the difference between night and day is really not apparent in those first few weeks. And you really feel that continual, non-stopness, I guess, of having a newborn. Now, we call it the ringer because you can see this cycle continues for many, many weeks. And so this is actually the first 7 weeks of our child's life. And you start to see in here, especially here in yellow, where I started to introduce bottle feeding, and we got to sleep a little bit more here. And our child was like an amazing sleeper, actually, compared to many. So we were quite lucky. But even still, I think just the total duration of time spent on these activities should hopefully build some empathy for new parents. So that is my quick story and a quick view into my life back in February.